So on your SYNTEC router with the SYNTEC system, if you have a work takes many hours to finish and you want to pause today and continue tomorrow, you can stop the machine and you see this, the L number for the line number here. Write down this line number, and next time when you power on your machine, monitor, and then here there's a start block number. You can input the line number here and start the work. Monitor and here. If you don't see this, you can press this program set several times. It will switch between different screens here, and all you need to do is just to I loaded a file, and we can input the number we want to start. For example, we input 12, enter, and OK, and it will locate to the line 12. And then you can start from this point. And if you have thousands of lines, it may take several minutes to find the line there. Okay, thank you for watching.